Hello everyone, welcome to our new video today. I'm going to go ahead and introduce the news products on my right hand. This is sandwich prep tables, and let me give you the overall dimensions first. For the unit's length, about like a 29.5 inches wide. Include the cutting board, the total depth, it is about like a 33 and 1/4 inches. Overall heights, they are almost about like a 44 inches tall. So as we can see, the units coming with a big cutting board at the front, and the lids on top right here, they come with handles. These cutting boards, they are about like a 14.5 inches depth. Look in the bottom of the units, we're having full casters coming with the units from the manufacturers, and one of those have the lockers on. And when we open this door, we can see the inner side space. For this rack depth, it is about like a 16 inches and 24 inches wide. In the bottom layers, it is about like a 14 inches deep and 25 inches wide. For this access the clearance height, it is about like a 22 and 3/4 inches tall. When we look in the inner side, we can see they do have a circling banners at behind and adjustable heads for these shelvings. The rack can adjustable. They have a clips on the side. So we can take a look closer to see the inner side dimension. For the standard units, we come in with a total 8 containers. And for each of the side, it is about like a 6.5 inches wide, 7 inches long, and almost about like a 6 inches deep. Also, from the behind of the units, when we look in the bottoms, we can see they have a controllers mounting here. They have digital displays on it, and also they do have the ETL sanitation stickers coming with the manufacturer, the cost sheets, and diagram informations, and all the compressor cooling units they mount at the bottoms. So this will be the all demonstration information about this product. If you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.